Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to get Binance Passkey. All right, so first up, go ahead and open up the Binance app. Now, once you're in here, just go to top left, tap on the three horizontal lines, tap on it. Now in here, just basically tap on your profile. Okay, so tap on your profile, and here we have security. Okay, so just tap on it. Now in here, as you can see, we have passkeys, okay, at the very top for biometrics. Now you have here PayPin, phone number, password, email, and authenticator app as well. So just tap on Passkey. Now you can just go ahead and tap on Add Passkey right here. Okay, you can go ahead and use facial verification or your thumb, okay, or fingerprint scanning, just like so. Just basically follow simple prompts, and in no time, you have your Passkey. As you can see here, it says an error because I already have one. Okay, I'm currently using my fingerprint. Now you have more option right here, like Touch ID, Face ID, or even security key. Okay, and there you have it. That is how you get a Binance Passkey. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.